Hello everyone, this is the third video of our Node.js tutorial. In the previous videos we had learned about GET request and the POST request. In the last video we learned about the POST request and we had sent this data over to our server from the front end. And now is the time to learn about put and delete requests. Just in case if you are wondering what are these types of requests, I would like to elaborate on them. The first one is the GET request, which we use to get the data from the server. Second is the POST request, where we send the data to the server. The third one is the PUT request, in which already the data that is saved on our server needs to be updated by the user. And the last one is the delete request, where, as the name suggests, the user tends to delete the data that is saved onto the server. So now we'll create a new delete request first. Okay, so first of all, I'll start my server node app.js and my server is listening. App.delete. At this moment of time, I would like to introduce you to Postman. Postman is a software that helps us to test the APIs. In the ideal world, the front end is being developed by a separate team and we have a separate team for the backend developers. So we do not always have the access to the front end to test our APIs. So in that case, certain software such as Postman and Thunder Client come to our rescue. So after signing up for Postman, you'll get this dashboard wherein you will have to create a new workspace. I've already created one. So here I'll create a new collection and I'll name it Node.js tutorial. I'll add a new request. Delete request. Okay, then http localhost 8080, that is where our server is running, and then I'll have to use this. Then I'll send the request and it will give me error that cannot get removed. Okay, that is because we haven't selected the type of request that we want to send, that is our delete request. And here we get our data, that is data deleted. Similarly, we can transform this into a put request. In the next video, we'll be using all these types of requests to create something meaningful. Okay, put request. Okay, so I'll copy this endpoint, I'll put it here and change the request type to put. I'll change just our API has worked, so I will change just put request so that you can get more clarity on it. I'll send this and I'll get put requests. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.